Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. Please hit the like button and subscribe. For anything you do will help my little channel grow. And here's what I have to show you this time. Number 200, not 2000, brush finish, original box from the 1970s. Has the original paperwork. Looks really cool. You can get different emblems and embossed lighters. For best results, use Zippo flints and fluid. The old school guarantee. This one, the box is a little damaged. It's busted out on the bottom, so I'll have to fix that. Other than that, it's in very pristine shape. For best results, always use Zippo flints and Zippo fuel. Place spare flints under felt end. Still has the original price tag on it, $4.75. And with the 4 slashes on the left and the 4 slashes on the right, it shows that it is a 1974 Zippo. Very sturdy hinge. Beautiful insert. The original asbestos wick. Like I said, you can tell this has never been used, or else that price tag would probably never be on there anymore. And I'm very glad to have this in my collection. Fits with my 1974s, which happens to be the year of my birth, which is why I really like finding this one in brand new condition, never used. Really, really cool. And what's really cool about this is I got this at the same antique store that I got the 1950 Zippo from in my last video. Except this lighter only cost me $9 with the box. Could not pass that up in any way, shape, or form. It was originally marked at $18 and it was 50% off, so I got it for $9 plus tax. Which here in Wisconsin is $9.45. Definitely happy with that. So, like I said at the beginning, please hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help this little channel grow. Thank you and have a great day.